Moving to SAP S/4HANA is a major challenge for your company. How to move to S/4HANA? How to train my teams? How long this will freeze software enhancements? What will be the cost of migration? That's why VISEO created Move to S/4HANA package, a new offer to help your company migrate from SAP ECC to SAP S/4HANA following a detailed methodology at low cost and low risks. SAP S/4HANA will offer you a more intuitive user experience, new features, and is based on a new data model for higher flexibility in reporting. To ease your conversion, VISEO offers you a safe journey in 2 stages. First, we will help you build a foundation, and second, we will plan with you how to unleash SAP S/4HANA potential at your own pace. Our package includes conversion solution, general training sessions through VISEO University, and coaching during project activities. To secure the project, VISEO will deploy for you an on-site project director, a dedicated team in our delivery centers, a robust methodology. With 20 years of rewarded and certified expertise with SAP, VISEO brings together functional and technical teams of experts entirely dedicated to SAP transformations projects.